Hey everybody, I'm Matt Shares, CEO of SBI, and I'm here for another installment of Matt's Minute. So you're busy getting ready for 2021, and you're thinking about the pragmatic plan you got to put together, because in times of uncertainty right now, one of the things we see with market leaders, you've got to have a pragmatic growth strategy. The road model is a great way for one to think about how to plan as you think about allocating resources. So what is road? Retain, opportunistic, acquire, and develop. Simply put, retain accounts. Who are those large established partners, right? You've got these relationships with them. You want to hang on to them, but you want to be mindful with how you invest. Opportunistic. These are the accounts you're not paying a ton of attention to. When they come at you, you will take them down. Acquire. Where are you making some bets to go all in on the right new logos that match your ideal customer profile? They have the right cost of acquisition, and you know they've got great LTV. And then most importantly, develop. How do you take those large established relationships, those customers who are spending a nickel but could spend $1, and move yourself into becoming a much more integrated part of their ecosystem? ROAD. Ask yourself how much you're spending in each quadrant. That should be a key component to what you build in your 2021 plan. As always, I wish you good luck as you try and make your number.